How can you save money and live your life at the same time? My relationship with my partner, I am more the one that likes to live her life and spend on pleasure and enjoy the moment, especially now that it's summer. And you can go to the seaside and the mountains and everything. And my partner is more of the, economical type of person that loves to have money aside and to have a budget and to be aware of his expenses. So how did we met in the middle, and how can you have a life where you have this kind of balance between living your life, enjoying the moment, spending on pleasure, and also set money aside? It's all about the boundaries, right? We created a budget for our expenses and also for our pleasure. A weekly budget, a month budget, and a quarter budget. Have an Excel or a note on your phone or in your journal. You can split that category in, spending on pleasure, setting money aside, investing in yourself, spending on groceries and basic stuff. Because if you spend all your money in the present moment, then you will regret it after that. And if some emergency shows up, you will not have a budget to handle it. Also, if you set all your money aside and you don't live your life and spend on pleasure and investing in self-care, then you'll get into a burnout or anxiety, depression, and not feeling good with yourself and with your life and with your business. So it's really important to have a balance. So I hope that my agreement with my partner and my experience with him and meeting halfway helps you to live a life both spending on pleasure and have money aside.